My name is Sarah Grimm. I'm a member of the Heels Down 4-H Club, and this year for the Holiday Bake-Off, I'll be making Muddy Buddy peanut butter cookies. First, the recipe calls for 1 stick of butter softened. Then, the recipe calls for 1/2 creamy peanut butter. Then, 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup light brown sugar. 1 large egg. 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. This is flour. 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1 cup milk chocolate chips. 1/2 teaspoon vegetable oil. And 1/2 cup powdered sugar. The first thing the recipe says is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Wait, 375, start. So as the oven preheats, in the bowl of a standard mixer, we're going to mix our butter, peanut butter, sugar, and brown sugar together. Now that we have all of the ingredients in our bowl, the next thing the recipe says is to mix it until it's light and creamy in color. First, we gotta plug in our mixer. Now I'm gonna mix this until it's light and creamy in color. And then the next thing the recipe says is to add in 1 egg and then blend to combine. So here's our 1 egg the recipe calls for. It says that we need in a separate bowl to add the flour, baking soda, and baking powder. So let's get our next bowl. Now that we have all of our dry ingredients in a bowl, the recipe says that we need to stir it with a whisk. Now that we mixed all of our ingredients, we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Check it out.